Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I want to test out the cameras on the Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I'm just doing a little 4K at 60 sample with the rear camera. Yes, I'm at this halfway closed down mall. I think this used to be Macy's or Dillard's, one of them. But what y'all think about it? How does everything look? How does that sound? There's baby girl. Let me zoom in 3 times, and then you can do 5, 10 times zoom. She needs to be washed though. Bam. And I can even do ultra wide here and back to normal. But let's check out the stabilization too. Let's walk around, check out some trees. Look how the cameras are definitely clear. I know people talk crap about Samsung's cameras in a video, but I don't know why, because these are top notch. Look at that. Let's see how far I can really zoom in. So that's 10. So I can do 20 times zoom. That's pretty good. And then let me go back out. So that was 20 times zoom, and it was pretty stable. You have to hold the phone. And again, I'm just holding and walking around. Is it a video if you don't get tree bark? Shout out to Translate² and Phone Tech at Work. Y'all need to check out their channels too. They probably will be dropping some S24 Ultra goodness, like Mr. Translate² likes to say. But look at that red on that stop sign. I think the colors look good. I have to get it, you know, at home, put it on the camera, but I'll probably come back and do 4K at 30 on a different video, and maybe 1080p. I don't know, I like breaking the videos up and just testing out the cameras. Now, this is, I mean, this is January 26th, and the phone, you know, officially hasn't been released yet, but Samsung is sending them out yet. So this is before any updates. Maybe I can come back and do updates with videos too, just to make sure. But I mean, it looks pretty good so far. Not bad at all. A guy's walking close to me. Probably wondering why I'm talking to myself. But that's what this mall has become. It's become a workout spot, really. But look at the clouds over there. I'll zoom into the buildings. You can see the buildings way over there. It gets a little shaky though, holding it. But if you checked out my unboxing video, let me know what other videos you want to see. I don't want to make this video too long, but I just wanted to test out the cameras on the S24 Ultra. Let's do the ultra wide one more time. Ultra wide to end it up. But so far I'm enjoying it. Really been liking it. I love the yellow color. So yeah, it's been good to me. Stay tuned. I have more cases coming out. I have other videos I'm gonna do. Y'all let me know what else you want to see. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the S24 Ultra. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out. Y'all have a great day.